Semjin-Sajinba history day Matamgi Irolnung masha-mathanta adumak Mangjakhigani haina Manipur University gi by chancellor Professor and Lokendra phongdorakli. Wafamasi Manipur University gi Center for Human Rights and Judicial Education amasung Oza Sanazauwa Memorial Trust na sinduna MU gi Department of Commerce na pangthokiba Idea of Manipur, a historical legacy of an Asiatic civilization haibi hiram masigi nongmagi oiba dialogue ta mahangna phongdokibani. MU gi Dean, Faculty amadi Intellectual kaya yauna pangthokiba thoram aduda Lokendra na hai Manipura palamba ningthau marol ge puwari dagi hauraga lamdam masigi leiraklaba puwari ga mari lainaba lairik kaya English londa fauba iduna malem gi tongan ba leiba kaya yaurabani laikhidraba oza sana zawbana iba lairik sing yauna lamdam asigi puwari de yumfam oiba lairik khudingmak ngasi fauba masak thongna amadi chayet naba leitena matam gi changing kaya thengnaduna lakle Masina aikhoi puwari da yumfam oiba lairik sing ase achumba amadi semjin-shajinba yauda haibase mayek sengna takle Amaromda academic amasung scholar ni haiba kharana puwari bu lana pauthokpa maongda semjin-sajilaga iduna lairik oina phongpusu yaudaba natte adugumba lairik sing adugi matamgi Irolnungda masha-mathanta adumang lukhigani maramde mass media haiba Kunmathoi Shuba Tahita asigi khwaidagi mapangal leiba khulai ama leiri haibase matam leiba khibikta ningsingba fai Professor and Lokendra na makatana hai Manipura lariba middle class ke miyosing ase aduki matik pauthok chawthorokpada natana mapangal leibasu hengalakle loinena tauge khanba thabak thorong khuding makso ninghannaba leitana pangthokpagi thona lei masidasu natana lamdam asida thorokpa matam ge thodok wathok singda mayok yaduna waroshin purakpa ngambagi matik mathona puthokpa ngami Masina Manipur gi tungi laibak asi achetpa khubam nung amadat Thamlambaga loinana tungi mirol gi damakta afaba khudam amani haina Professor and Lokendra na makatana phongdokhe.
Manipur has an authenticated history translated into English, published by Routledge, king by king, century by century, period by period. However hard people recently tried to distort, however hard academics and scholars try to give a fabricated history of Manipur. The publications by Sanazabanaria, the publications which had been published by Routledge, and many other publishers inside the country, outside the country, and inside the state will stand the test of time, and those distorted publications will automatically by itself will be, over a period of time, will gradually be erased.